Yeah, Travis, additional crews are here, but still working to shut off this water, and you can see it's just a mess here. I'll step out of the frame so you can get a better look now that we have some daylight. Water continues to flow down into the Lewis intersection. Crews are saying avoid this area if you can, or at least make sure to slow down. Now, they don't expect a full team here yet. That's why we're still noticing some of that water flow. They're trying to shut off the valves, working their way up to this area. All morning, we've watched water move into homes as well as create a driving hazard across the intersection. Right now, one lane of 41st is shut off. They don't expect any closures on Lewis, but there is some standing water out there. The city does not expect many customers to be out of water, but there will be a few. So like I said before, this continues to be a mess, but we are monitoring conditions, so make sure to stay with us on Facebook as well as on Twitter. Travis, I'll send it back to you.